Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring a topic that's got everyone talking. Will AI take over finance jobs? There's no denying the rise of artificial intelligence has disrupted the industry in a big way, automating repetitive tasks, analyzing data at lightning speed, and even predicting market trends. But despite all the advancements, there are specific roles that AI won't replace anytime soon. So, let's dive into the 5 finance jobs AI won't replace. Make sure to stick around until the end. You might be surprised by some of the roles on the list. But first, please do me a favor, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful career content. We've also provided free learning resources for download in the description below. All right, let's get into it. First up on our list are financial advisors and planners. Now, you might be thinking, but what about robo-advisors? Sure, robo-advisors have made basic investment strategies more accessible, offering algorithm-driven portfolio management with lower fees. But when it comes to complex financial situations, human advisors are irreplaceable. Money is deeply personal. It's tied to our life goals, fears, and dreams. A human financial advisor doesn't just crunch numbers, they build relationships. They understand your unique circumstances, listen to your concerns, and provide tailored advice. Navigating the financial impact of significant life events, such as marriage, home purchases, childbirth, divorce, or starting a business, require empathy and understanding that no AI can provide. Moreover, human advisors help manage emotions during market volatility. They can walk you through panic during a market downturn or caution against overinvesting during a bull run. This emotional guidance helps clients stick to their long-term plans, which is crucial for financial success. All right. Second on our list are financial analysts. A financial analyst conducts various research tasks to inform and support investment strategies and decisions for their company or clients. These roles are highly data-intensive, requiring strong mathematical and analytical skills. While AI excels at processing data and identifying patterns, it cannot interpret qualitative factors crucial for analysis. Financial analysts also assess market trends, evaluate economic conditions, and consider geopolitical events. They interpret how these factors impact investment opportunities and business decisions. For instance, analyzing the potential success of a new product line involves understanding consumer behavior, competitive dynamics, and regulatory environments, areas where human insight is essential. Furthermore, financial analysts often present their findings to stakeholders, requiring excellent communication skills to explain complex concepts clearly. They answer questions, defend their analyses, and sometimes persuade decision-makers to take a particular action. AI cannot replicate these interpersonal skills and the strategic thinking involved. Third, we have investment bankers. This role is synonymous with high-stakes negotiations, strategic advisory, and relationship management at the highest corporate levels. Investment bankers help companies raise capital, advise on mergers and acquisitions, and provide strategic financial guidance that shapes industries. While AI can analyze financial data and market trends, it cannot replicate the human elements of trust, persuasion, and strategic thinking required in investment banking. Building relationships with CEOs, CFOs, and board directors requires emotional intelligence and credibility that only humans can offer. Consider the process of a merger between two companies. An investment banker examines more than just financials. They also consider corporate cultures, leadership styles, and the potential synergies or conflicts that could arise. They mediate negotiations, address both sides' concerns, and work toward a deal that satisfies all parties involved. These complex interpersonal dynamics are beyond the scope of AI. Fourth on our list are risk managers. Risk management is more critical than ever in a world marked by unpredictability. Think global pandemics, political upheavals, and climate change. Risk managers identify potential threats to an organization's financial health and develop strategies to mitigate them. AI is excellent at analyzing historical data to predict future risks, but struggles with black swan events, rare and unforeseen occurrences. Risk managers combine quantitative analysis with qualitative judgment, considering factors that aren't always evident in the data. For example, entering a new international market requires assessing political stability, cultural differences, and regulatory landscapes, areas where data may be limited. Risk managers also play a crucial role during crises, making real-time decisions and adjusting strategies as situations evolve. Their ability to interpret ambiguous information and make informed judgments is something AI cannot replicate. Finally, we have Chief Financial Officers. The CFO is more than just the head of finance. They're a strategic partner steering the company's future. They oversee financial planning, risk management, and financial reporting, but their role extends beyond numbers. CFOs provide strategic direction by assessing how financial decisions impact every aspect of the business. They decide when to invest in new technology, enter new markets, or restructure operations. These decisions require a deep understanding of the business landscape, competitive environment, and internet capabilities. AI can offer data analytics and predictive models, but cannot replace the strategic vision and leadership a CFO provides. CFOs also communicate with investors, analysts, and board members, requiring exceptional communication skills to effectively articulate the company's financial health and strategy. Moreover, CFOs are often the organization's ethical compass, ensuring financial practices align with legal standards and societal expectations. In an era where corporate responsibility is under intense scrutiny, their role in ethical decision-making is invaluable and irreplaceable by AI. So, there you have it, the 5 finance jobs that AI won't replace anytime soon. While technology continues to revolutionize the finance industry, the human elements of trust, judgment, empathy, and strategic thinking remain essential. These roles demand skills that go beyond algorithms and data crunching. So it's not surprising that, according to the World Economic Forum, AI in finance will generate more jobs than it eliminates, particularly in positions that involve complex decision-making, creativity, and human interaction. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. And if you wish to get job ready for a successful career in finance, don't miss the opportunity to subscribe to the 365 Financial Analyst platform. Stay tuned.